Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Brookstone heated blanket E4 error, what it means and how to reset or troubleshoot. Fix 1. Reset the heated blanket. Turn the controller off, then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Disconnect the controller from the blanket, then wait 5 to 10 minutes. Firmly reconnect the controller to the blanket. Plug the blanket back into a wall outlet, then turn it on and check if the E4 error has disappeared. Second fix is check all connection. Unplug the blanket, then make sure the controller connector is fully inserted into the blanket. Then check that the power plug is firmly connected to the wall outlet. Avoid using extension cord or damaged outlet. Turn the blanket back on. Third one is inspect the blanket and cord. Unplug the blanket, then check the controller cable for cuts or damage. Inspect the blanket connector for bent pins or debris. Then look for tear, burn marks or damaged wiring. If you notice any damage, stop using the blanket. Fourth one is try a different wall outlet. Unplug the blanket, then plug it into the another working wall outlet, then turn it on and see if the error return. Avoid power strip if possible. Thanks for watching.